Here at New South Wales DPI Laboratory Services, we provide a range of diagnostic testing for animal and plant diseases. Our labs conduct testing on samples that may contain pathogens that are considered hazardous to humans or animals. Referred to as Category A, these samples require additional labelling on the outer box to protect anyone who handles the samples during transit and on receipt at our lab. Packing Category A samples is not a common practice. We strongly recommend submitters call our customer service team for advice on packaging and sending samples of this nature. Heavy fines apply for poorly packaged dangerous goods. As with general samples, all Category A specimens must be shipped using the triple packaging system. This means you need to use a primary receptacle, a tube, vial or other container typically made of glass or rigid plastic that's in direct contact with the specimen, a secondary packaging including cushioning and other materials that fully encapsulates the primary receptacle, and an outer packaging for shipping or transit. Once you've packed the samples, the outer packaging must be labelled as follows: name and address of sender, name and delivery address of receiver, emergency contact name and 24-hour phone number, the original plus 2 copies of the shipper's declaration specifying the nature of the dangerous goods is also required when sending Category A samples. UN number 2814 if the specimen contains infectious substances that could affect human health, or UN number 2900 if the specimen contains infectious substances that could affect animal health. Biological substances Category A UN 1845 label if using dry ice, and an orientation label. Having labelled the sample, it must be transported according to IATA instructions. We recommend the specimen advice form is kept separate to the samples inside a Ziploc bag to assist in keeping laboratory staff safe when unpacking your samples. The Civil Aviation Safety Authority also requires all people who pack and send Category A samples to undertake accredited training, which must be repeated every 2 years. If you follow these steps, you'll reduce risk for everyone involved and your samples should arrive in the best condition, ready for us to test. For further information on New South Wales DPI Laboratory Services, you can call our customer service team on 1800 675 623 or visit our website at www.dpi.nsw.gov.au/labs.